Denmark has been using district heating for more than 100 years. Especially during the last 50 years, a great amount of experience and know-how with operation and handling of heat production, distribution networks and hardware have been accumulated. Accordingly, the Danish District Heating Association recently updated its recommendations on water treatment and corrosion prevention, with an emphasis on using demineralized water with low oxygen contents as feed water. The biggest problem is oxygen in the water. Make-up and feed water is made from ordinary drinking water from the waterworks and is saturated with oxygen. The oxygen is the direct cause of corrosion, especially of the pipes. The recommended technical solution is a maintenance-free membrane degassing unit, which efficiently removes oxygen from the water without the use of chemicals. Therefore, it is the environmental-friendly solution. Let's visit a district heating plant and take a closer look at their solutions. Skanderborg Herning District Heating Company has installed a water treatment plant that fully complies with the recommendations and where the benefits are visible on the bottom line and towards the environment. The water treatment consists of 3 steps: softening for removing calcium, membrane filtration for demineralization, and finally the membrane degassing unit that removes the critical oxygen. There are also other technologies available which can reduce the oxygen contents. To implement the best solution, Skanderborg Herning contacted Eurowater with 80 years of experience with water treatment. One of my interests in the context of district heating is absolutely our water treatment, because it is very expensive to refurbish pipelines if you fail to take proper care of the water. Before we chose the new membrane degassing unit, we had a highly beneficial communication with Eurowater, because it is not just a component you buy and install. It takes a little more than that. One of the things that are always in focus is whether the oxygen has been removed from the water. After having installed the membrane degassing unit, we have made several oxygen measurements, and it is clear that there is no oxygen in the water. It is actually quite simple. With the right water treatment, you can extend the life of the district heating system significantly, which in turn benefits the customers by causing less disruptions and keeping the price low. Visit eurowater.com to learn more.